Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the mirror image of an iPhone 7. And you're also looking at the artifacts that you typically find in a digital product. For example, you might typically find an audio file. You would typically find a video file. You typically find a PDF, and in some cases, you'd even find a PowerPoint presentation or Microsoft Word document. And in this course, we're going to focus on the applications that you'd need in order to create this digital product if you didn't have a personal computer, which should give you added flexibility in being able to create content when you are on the go or to make progress on completing your digital product. The idea, of course, is to use a minimal number of mobile applications as well as mobile hardware. So at the outset, it shouldn't be necessary for you to make extensive purchases of either hardware or app software. However, there is a minimal level of both hardware and software that you will need, and we'll start by going over the hardware in the next video. But that said, for the most part, you will be able to use the native applications already pre-installed on your Apple iPhone. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.